Hi, so this is my second recording. The first recording I already posted here in the announcement. This first recording is all about the syllabi and the course requirements and attendance. So let me go to the lecture module straight. So this recording will be divided into several parts. The first recording I'd like to show you before I start chapter 1 on food choices and human health. I'd like to show you a website here, and it is actually a video recorded session. So let's first listen to this and then we will go to our actual lecture. So this is actually through Cengage learning, and let me log in and then we are going to observe this particular video. It's very interesting and I think you will like this. It will definitely try to criticize this specific video here as you observe this. So let's go to the link again. Now it should come up. Oof. Hold on 1 minute. Let's take a look at this video. Debunk the junk. Just 1 minute. I just wanted to see why the volume is not working, and
tens of millions of dollars when they claimed it would cause amazing weight loss with no effort. A spokesperson for Pure Green Coffee brand appeared on national TV programs wearing a lab coat and calling himself a doctor of nutrition. Actually, he was an advertising executive for companies that set up fake news websites with names of fictitious news organizations and logos from actual news organizations such as CNN and MSNBC. Unfortunately, people who purchased the pills wasted their money and didn't get the results they expected. The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, convicted these companies of false advertising and forced them to return millions of dollars in ill-gotten monies. So how do false claims like these get started in the first place? With a fake scientific study. A different company, Applied Food Sciences, paid for a so-called scientific study to promote their own brand of green coffee extract, GCA. While other studies showed modest weight loss with green coffee extracts, suddenly it seemed that people who used GCA brand lost an astounding amount of fat and weight by doing absolutely nothing. This study was published in a respected peer-reviewed journal. However, when other scientists reviewed the study, they found that the data had been faked. This study was exposed as junk science, and the publication was retracted. The FTC convicted Applied Food Sciences of using false representation for ill-gotten gains. In scientific claim that seems too good to be true probably is. To debunk the junk, it's important to question such claims and evaluate them with a critical eye. So how can you determine if any scientific claim really measures up to good science? This is how we evaluated the miracle pill claim. First, check the source. Who paid for this study? In this case, the fake GCA study was funded by the sellers of GCA. Funding by anyone with a financial interest is a red warning flag. Next, we look for bias and hidden agendas. Who profits from false advertising? The sellers of Pure Green Coffee profited from fake media websites and endorsements, all based on the fake GCA study. Any bias in endorsements is a second red flag. Next, analyze the research methods. Was the research valid? The GCA study altered weights and other key data, so the study was fake. Bad research is our third red flag. The next step is to investigate independent research. Have other researchers reproduce the results of this study? Since the GCA results were faked, there could be no independent confirmation. Our fourth red flag. Finally, we make the call. Are the miracle pill claims good science or junk science? Having failed in every category of our claim evaluation, we call this junk science. You too can use the power of claim to avoid being ripped off, protect your health, and increase your understanding of the world around you. For example, are claims about new technology, or health products, or climate change true? Before you decide, stop, think, and ask questions. Investigating a scientific claim gives you the power to debunk the junk.
So I hope you like this videos, and obviously, and I also expect that this video will start to give rise to a lot of questions in your mind, which you need to ask yourself. Why am I studying this? Why is this medicine important to me? What can I do to protect myself from this type of problems and the issues here? So that's what we will try to cover in this specific chapter. Now I will get started with the lecture material, which is our chapter 1. And then we will go one by one to all these articles as I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to stop this recording, and then I will do another recording on my lecture that will also be posted in the announcement section.